In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location on Samsung phone. Let's get started by unlocking your Samsung phone and heading straight to your home screen. Once you're there, we're going to open up the settings. To do this, simply locate the settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear. Give it a tap. You should now see a list of options related to various aspects of your phone. Next up, from the list of options, we are going to find the location settings. So scroll through the list until you see the word location. It might take a second to find among all the other settings, but it's usually near the top. Go ahead and tap on location once you find it. This section is crucial because it controls how your phone interacts with location services. With the location settings open, the next step is to manage which apps have access to your location. To do this, look for the option that says App Permissions. Once you see it, tap on it. This is where you can control which apps can see your location and how often. It's important to manage these permissions to protect your privacy and enhance your phone's performance. Now you will see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Each app can have different permissions related to your location. What you need to do now is select the specific app for which you want to change the location settings. Simply tap on the app you want. This action will open up a new screen with more detailed options related to that particular app. At this point, you have different choices on how the selected app can use your location. You can select Allow all the time if you want the app to have continuous access to your location. This is useful for apps that need to run in the background and require your location data constantly. Alternatively, you might choose Allow only while using the app. This means the app can only access your location when you are actively using it. It's a great option for privacy because it limits the app's access when you're not using it. There's also the option Ask Every Time. This setting will prompt the app to request your permission each time it needs to access your location. It's a flexible choice if you want to control when an app can see your location. Finally, you can select Don't Allow if you want to completely deny the app access to your location. This is a good choice for apps that don't need location data to function properly. Remember, managing these permissions can help protect your privacy and extend your battery life. After you've made your selection, your changes will be automatically saved. You might see a brief confirmation message on your screen. If so, that's perfectly normal and lets you know that everything's been updated successfully. And there you have it. You've now learned how to change the location settings for your apps on a Samsung phone. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to adjust permissions in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.